how to post on Patreon. So first, go to your Patreon account. Next is just click on create here or here, wherever you want. So let's just say click on this one, create, and then you can choose any of the types here that you want to post. So for example, I just want to post a poll. Just click on poll, and then of course add in your title, and then you can also provide more information about your poll if you want, and then choose an option for your poll. So I'll just type in option 1. This is just an example. So option 2, and then you can also create collections or add this to collections if you want. You can also add tags, and then you can also add another option if you want. You can also customize the poll settings here, and of course you can also add attachments. So let's say you're done doing all of the details here, you're done adding all of the details. You can preview your post. So this is for the desktop view, then you can choose the web mobile view as well, and of course the email view. So next is close this, and then what you need to do here next to post this is just click on next. Then of course just make sure that all of the details here are done. So just click on publish, and then here you can see your post. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.